In this video I'm going to show you how to insert a video, so a YouTube video, into PowerPoint. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Now let's get on with it. So I want to insert a video, and I want to insert a video on cute cats because that's what my boss has asked me to do. So the way to do it, first off, is to find the video that you want. So I'm here on YouTube. I'm going to go to my favourite cute cat video. We've all got our favourites. And here we go, here's the video I want. Best thing to do is go down to share and copy this bit here. So click on the copy button, then go to your PowerPoint, find the video, or sorry, find the slide that you want to insert it in, go to insert, video, online videos, paste the web link, which is Control and V at the same time. Give it a moment to load up. There we go. And click insert. And there is my cat video. Now, I could insert another one. Oh, just to let you know, this is how you play it. If I go to playback, I can press play. You can see it's playing. Also, I can adjust the size of it. So make it a bit bigger. Again, I'll click play. There we go, cute cats. But what I might want to do is insert a video to start from a certain point. So I want to start. So go to the part of the video that you want to start on. So I want to start there, which is 1 minute and 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Go to share, and then you got start at 2:04. I could change that 2:05, whatever I wanted. And again, go to copy. I'll go to insert in PowerPoint, video, online videos. I'll paste it. Then press insert. I'll make it the size I want to do. And if I then once again click on the video and go to play, you can see it started at 2:05, which is the time that I put. Now I've shown you how to play the video from actually when you're creating a PowerPoint, but if you were to be launching a PowerPoint, you just have a play button to click on. So very easy to do. Other things you can do though, so we've got this thumbnail that's preloaded. You can change that. So if you wanted it to look differently, you could go to video format. So first I'll click on the video format, poster frame, and image from file. So you can search for an image if you wanted to have a specific image in there, or you could choose one from a file. So I'm going to choose a video from file. So what have we got here? There you go, I've got a button. Insert that, and that's going to be the video button. So when a user clicks on that when they're doing a presentation, it will play. And just to prove it to you, I've gone to the video format element, click on play, and even though it's just that button, it then appears like this. But something you will need to do is resize it so it's actually a video of a size that you want. So something to bear in mind. It now looks really stretched, so watch out for that. But anyway, you know how to insert a video into PowerPoint and how to play it if it's a YouTube video.